Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Sai Khandekar and along with some of India's most loved chefs, we're back to bring you a brand new recipe for every single school day. Today we're making orange and soya tofu, which is an excellent protein-packed option for your kids' lunchbox. So come, let us see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. We'll start by making a very quick sauce for this recipe. I'm going to start with a little soy sauce in a mixing bowl. To this, I'm going to add some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and because this is orange tofu, we're going to add some Kissan Orange Blast. A good dollop of that going in, and along with that, Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce as well. And what this is going to do is it's going to give you a really nice play of sweet and spicy flavors. So about 2 tablespoons of that as well. And just whisk everything in. So whisk all of this together till you get a nice and sticky sauce. And then we'll keep this aside. I'm going to now switch on my gas. And I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once your pan is nice and hot, we'll add a little bit of garlic, some ginger, and very finely chopped celery stalks. And this is very important because it's going to give the primary flavor to your dish. Saute these till it gets a really nice aroma. And now we'll dip in some onions and some bell peppers. Do this on a high flame because you want your onions and bell peppers to get a slightly smoky flavor. Once the raw smell of the onions goes away, we'll dip in the tofu. This is firm tofu. Tofu is a great addition to the recipe and this increases the protein content of the dish. It is important for the growth and development of your children. Once the tofu is warmed through, we're going to add our marinade. Once the sauce is combined nicely with the tofu, switch off the gas. So once the gas is switched off, our dish is almost ready. For a final flourish, we're going to add some spring onions and a couple of sesame seeds for crunch. And that's it, we're ready to plate up. So I've got some fried rice already made. I'm going to make a bed of that in the box first. I'm going to top it with the tofu. Make sure you get some of that lovely glorious sauce in. And along with that, just for a change of texture, some khakra and some fresh fruit. I hope you liked this really wholesome yet fun recipe. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I will be back tomorrow with another fun recipe to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.